so that's it, just finished work again. Found out that the engine is sat on a pallet outside the house and it's time to go get back involved. Hopefully get on alright, but we'll soon see. One step at a time. So it's pretty much ready to come out today, to be honest. Exhaust is off pretty much. Rad's out. All the bars and crash bars are out. Gonna undo the mounts, undo the throttle cable, try and feed the engine loom out of the fuse box and go from there. Here's the new one. Looks absolutely clean as a whistle. Boxes on it, alternators on it. Happy days. Should be easy. Wow, the drive shaft, to be fair. The fuel send and return is off. All the loom is out. All the pipes are off. The gear linkages are off. The clutch cable is off. The exhaust is off and out the way. I don't think there is anything left. The brake booster hose is off. I think hopefully we can get the drive shaft out of the gearbox. Right, so then track rod's out.
Where did you put the pins on? Oh, I got them.
You got them?
Yeah.
He's got them. Then bottom ball joint. And then drop link. And hopefully I can pry the old shaft. Right, because we're about to run out of light, I thought we'd just get a quick video on my phone. So the engine is propped up on a shit jack, but we keep it moving. The bottom engine mount is undone. Everything's ready to go. We're just going to undo these mounts and hopefully just drop it out of that. Just like that. So yeah, easy as pie. Probably not, but we'll have a go. After a bit of jiggery pokery, we got to fuck her out. Great success. Sorry. Oh, sorry. Oh dear. Engine in road. We have absolutely never took an engine out before, so I think we've done alright.
Should we try and get that skateboard on the rocks so then we could just...
Yeah, we'll lift it on so we can move it in a minute. Well, I think it only took us about 4 or 5 hours in total to get it completely out, so I'm happy with that. Sure this out. Relatively easy, bit of a wrestle. The cold, we're heading off, but the gearbox and the engine is out. What are you doing, mate? Sorry, everyone. Yeah, it took a bit of persuasion, but we got it out. Happy day. So the only thing that seems to be annoying is we disjointed a inner drive shaft. but it's not the end of the world at all. You have to probably get a boot and cut it off. I couldn't settle it back in. But all in all, good job, Liam. Done well.